Panduit's FlexCore static patch panels reduce circuit risks by remaining stationary in the Panduit optical distribution frame. These 4 RU patch panels manage fiber optic cable, terminations, cassettes, connectors, and patch cords. The panels have exits on the left and right sides. The static patch panel has no moving parts, and front access makes moves, adds, and changes easy. The modular design provides maximum rack space and includes mounting brackets and identification labels for connector ports and trays. Spool and enclosure labels let you position and trace patch cords quickly and easily. An optional lock kit provides security to prevent unauthorized access. Panduit FlexCore static patch panels simplify cable management and provide versatility and flexibility with a fully modular solution. For more information, visit panduit.com.